all you gotta do is hit that sign in button and you'll be logged in or signed into your JLL account. If you have any trouble regarding the password, you want the password to unlock or reset, you can tap in that option. We can either unlock or reset by tapping in the option right there. And if you have a client account, you can also reset the password tapping in that reset password option. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Just Work. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap there. At the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in Just Work login, since we're going to log in, and hit enter. And here make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. Let's tap there, it may take a while. And there you are, you'll be greeted with your Just Work login page. Now all you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. You have to type in your email